USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. Before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. These three buttons are for the audience, for you people. Subscribe, like, and hit this bell button, okay? These buttons are not for me. I can't do it for myself, okay? Please do that because you will do it by the end of the video because you will get profits from this channel. Free profits actually, and I'll stop when I want to because let's talk about that in the end. Okay, so join Telegram. Below the video, you'll have some links. It's a join free Telegram, so connect with my Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. Then check out the brokers and the platform right here. Go and join with these brokers. I want you to have a separate account if and when you will be trading with my signals and in my with my signals only in that account. Okay, so I'll explain all that in the Telegram. I'll tell you what to do. Okay, subscribe, like, do all of that. Coming back to the chart, starting the pop down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are down and we are bear. So yeah, new low pullback. And we might go down again. Okay, so it takes a lot for dollar to go down against Canadian. Okay, Canadian is a weak currency, dollar is a strong currency, so it takes a lot for Canadian to push dollar downwards. Okay, so let's get back to Delhi. What do we have in Delhi? We are officially down, but here I can see the EMA trying to go up. The slope, you see this EMA slope here trying to push towards up or change its direction. The reason being is these highs are broken. So if I place my line right here, you can see break of sponsor. Okay, so break of structure, whatever you call it. So this candle has broken the previous highs. Okay, so this is the reason, and we are also near the EMA. Okay, so use your common sense. We are near the EMA. This time here we were not near the EMA, but this time here we are near the EMA. So this can merely be a pullback, and then we can continue going up. So in daily chart, we have started a new uptrend. I think so, and then we'll take a pullback, and then we'll carry on going up. Okay, so that will happen in next coming days, or maybe one or two weeks. I don't know. Okay, entry time. So entry in 4 hour we are above the EMA. In daily we are below, and in weekly we are below. So look for long shorts, I guess. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Okay, so downtrend pullback. We have to look for shorts by definition. Okay. This high created, then this rejection, then okay. So if I would be you, I would go down after this low is broken. So if I use my this line here, this is your low. Okay, once we have the next red candles breaking this low, that's how you can confirm that is the signal for downtrend in 4 hour. Okay, I'm not looking for shorts until this previous low is not broken. So maybe this low is broken and then pull back and then go down. Otherwise, if this high is broken, then look for longs. Okay, so if I remove my this line again here, so if next blue candle breaks this high, then enter long and take your profit here. If this low is broken, then look for shorts. Okay, USDCAD, that's all I have for you. Subscribe, like, share, blah, blah, blah. These are videos which will make you free profit. If you subscribe and like, it's only for your own good. Otherwise, it's okay. So join Telegram and do what sign up with these brokers as well. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.